A bronze alloy is made from 80% copper and 20% tin. Draw a label diagram in the box to show the arrangement of copper and tin in this alloy. Tin atoms are larger than copper atoms. And the first copper atom is drawn for us, that's that one there. So we can label that straight away, can't we? We can label that as copper. Use this as a guide for the size of the other atoms you draw. Okay, so the tin atoms are bigger. Now 80% of this alloy is copper and 20% is tin. Alloys are mixtures of metals, so we need a mix of these two atoms, and 1 in every 5, 20%, 20% is 1 in 5, there's 5 20s and 100. 1 in every 5 of these atoms is tin, and tin is bigger. So we need to draw 4 coppers for every 1 tin. So let's start with a couple more coppers, shall we? Now we need to make them roughly the same size, don't need to be exact, but they do need to be identifiably copper in size. I would do this with a pencil if I were you. So that's my 4 coppers. Now I need a bigger tin, so let's put a bigger tin there. And what this tin is going to do is it's going to disrupt this layer, isn't it? So it's going to make it a mess. The whole arrangement is going to be a mess. So the copper to start with was nice and neat, but then it's going to mess up quite quickly. So there's my 2 more coppers. Let's do another 2 to make 4. All right, and now we need another tin. So let's put another, where should we put another tin? We'll put another tin here. It just needs to be random, really. We just need to have roughly 1 in 5 of them need to be tin. Where's that? 1, 2, 3, and you see the whole structure starts to mess up now, doesn't it? 4, there's my 4 coppers. Now I need a bigger tin. So let's make a bigger tin there. Let's have another 4 coppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a bigger tin. So we can label these tin ones, can't we? Tin, 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 if you like, yeah. And we can carry on and just fill the whole box. And at the end of it, we're just going to have a mixture of copper and tin. Now the bigger ions here, they stop the layers sliding over one another. That's why alloys are stronger than pure metals, because in pure metals, the ions would be able to slide because there'd be nothing locking them in place. The bigger ions lock them in place. All these videos and more on elshamhighchemistry.com.